Hello, welcome back. Long time no see. So I'm John, Project Locust MX5. So I'll show you what I've been up to. So if you watched the last video, I tried to start it with basically with no luck. So what I found was this little black and yellow one is the feed for the clocks, and this little black and yellow one is like an ignition feed that runs across. So I connected them together, so obviously I've cut through it at some point, and now ignition on, you get a light, but that's all you get. So still got more to play with the wiring, but there we go. And when you try to start it, nothing's happening. So anyway, I found this little aftermarket relay, and that was connected to the back of the ignition switch down here. So I've just put a straight through connection now, so that sends a feed to that main fuse box. And now you turn the key, some action. So yeah, super happy with it. Just haven't had time in ages to come in and do anything, and literally spent half an hour on it today. I've got it turning over. There's no noise coming from the fuel pump, so I still need to investigate that. But I'll just keep going little bits now. Yeah, so I thought I'd just do a little video, explain a few little bits and bobs. I've not had any time to do anything on this because I've had an absolute nightmare with my daily drivers, vans, whatever, everything I've had. It's been rubbish. Finally bought this decent Transit, and now there's a problem with that. So anyway, that's something else. I'm going to try and do more work on this now, because now I have some kind of deadline, which sort of explains where I've been for a while. I've been organising my own car show. Well, not just cars, bikes and trucks. It's called Anglesey Auto Fest. So put a picture up of that now. And that is my event. It's going to be at Anglesey Circuit on the 7th of August. I'm hoping to bring this, if it's okay. Gonna have a little bit of a section of project cars, so yeah, this will be there. I'm hoping, because I've only got one trailer, I'd like to bring the Escort as well. So I'd like to have this there, some ideally running and driving, because once it's running and driving, well, to some extent, it'll be easier to move around, and because we've got one trailer, it's going to be a bit of a pain to get both there because it's only a one-day event, but we'll try something. If I can't get this there, then I'll have the Escort there just on display. So yeah, that's where I've been. So if you like the look of the show, head over to the website. You can book your vehicles in there. Yeah, so there we go. We'll do a separate video about the show and a little bit more about in depth of what's involved in the organisation of a show, and some bits and bobs like that. So yeah, so that's it for this one. I'm gonna crack on with some wiring, just a little update for you guys, and we'll see what else I can get working. Sort of fuel pipe maybe see if we can get it going. So yeah, all right, thank you, see you in the next one.